Did you know Chewbacca from Star Wars was inspired by George Lucas's own dog? That's right. Lucas had an Alaskan Malamute named Indiana. He would often take Indiana on set, and the idea for Chewbacca was born. Chewie's design reflects that big, furry, loyal companion vibe. Lucas wanted a character that embodied friendship and loyalty, and who better than a giant Wookiee to stand by Han Solo? Chewbacca's growls and roars were crafted by mixing animal sounds. It's amazing how a beloved pet can influence pop culture. So next time you see Chewbacca, remember Indiana, the dog behind the legend.